Uthi sisi wena Ndumiso ayikho i-degree yokubamba indoda, mina ngakhishwa u-anti osizayo endodeni. Ntasethi bhakede uhlale phansi ngoba ngiyazi indaba uyayithanda nje na. Okay you guys, my sister lana uthi okay Nondumiso, I'm a very young woman, ngihlala nomyeni wami. Everything is what, everything is great. Uthi umyeni wami soNondumiso ngahlangana naye sasesebancane kakhulu kuma sihlangana nomyeni wami. So we actually met at a university. Umyeni wami bekayenza i-law yena esikoleni, and then mina bengenza i-law esikoleni, mina bengenza i-medicine. So njengoba ngenza i-medicine, mina I'm from a very well off family. Vele ekhaya kithi ngiphuma efamilini yama-lawyers, ngiphuma efamilini yamalokhuzana and stuff like that. So ekhaya nje siyabantu abanjani aba well off. Well also on the other hand, umyeni wami kuwukuthi yena umuntu onjani uphuma nje from ekhaya le-right, kube ukuthi impilo kumele enze njani, kumele ayifostele yona. Ngoba ukuthi wenza njani uyahamba e-university. So kumyeni wami nje like umuntu onjalo ukuthi uphuma ekhaya elinjalo, and he actually respects abantu abanjani abaqala phansi empilweni. Sharp. Uthi hayi Nondumiso, sifike sizwane-ke nomjida, everything is what, everything is great. Uthi asiqede-ke amalokhuzana ama-degrees wethu, kube ukuthi sithola umsebenzi. Uthi futhi yimi owathola umsebenzi kuqala, ngathola umsebenzi kuqala, and then my then boyfriend wasesebenza njani, wasathola umsebenzi after me. You understand? Uthi njengoba bethola futhi umsebenzi ngoba ukuthi yonke into nje, yonke into grant sasebenza to a point whereby kugcina sekuhamba iminyaka emibili sathenga indlu. So we actually bought a house before we actually got married. Uthi sahlanganisa sathenga indlu. Sharp. Uthi njengoba sithenga indlu, sifike sithenga indlu, sihlala endlini yonke into njani, yonke into grant. Uthi from there, us buying a house, move in together. Then from there kwaba ukuthi ngiba pregnant. Sharp. Uthi njengoba ngiba pregnant-ke, that was when esiqale manje sathi you know what, le ndaba yokuthi kumele sishade sithathe serious. Then umjida actually sent abomalume bakhe ekhaya, kwaba ukuthi uye ekhaya uyocela isandla sami somshado. Sharp. Uthi kube yonke into ibe grand ekhaya, babamukele futhi kahle because they actually knew him as my boyfriend then, azange zibe khona inkinga. Uthi wena Ndumiso sahamba safike sashada-ke, sabathola abantwana. So I've got two girls with this man, engibathole naye sesishadile and stuff like that. Uthi anginayo enye ingane naye futhi akanayo enye ingane ngaphandle kwasemshadweni. Right. Uthi hayi njengoba sihlala-ke nomjida yonke into njani, yonke into grand. So Nondumiso, mina as I'm doing medicine, my job is very demanding ukuthi like ngumuntu onokuhlala nenene nokubuye ngibuye ebusuku. So it's a very demanding job whereby naphakathi nobusuku I would actually go to kuphi emsebenzini. Uthi hayi okay fine. So njengoba Nondumiso sesinabantwana-ke la endlini, we actually seeing ukuthi okay fine, this thing is actually not working out for the both of us. So let us try and bring in the third person kuphi endlini. Uthi sahlala phansi Nondumiso sathi nomyeni wami, let us bring in the helper. Uthi hayi okay fine, kube ukuthi sidecide ukuthi size nobani u-anti osizayo, u-anti osizayo azohlala la endlini. Remember we are actually a very young couple. So nakhona futhi kwaba ukuthi u-anti esemtholayo kwakuyintombazanyana nje esasencane futhi nayo, but like not that young. Kwakuwumuntu nje wesifazane osesemncane kodwa nje kunami, wayethe ukuba mncanyana kunami. So looking at the story sakhe mayeqala sixoxele ukuthi okay fine, umuntu ostruggle-shayo ekhaya kubo and stuff like that, we believe in actually giving her a chance. Okay fine. Uthi hayi Nondumiso, kwaba ukuthi siyamnikeza kanjalo ku-baby girl i-chance, everything is what, everything is great. Uthi sharp. So mina I'm one person ukuthi vele I would actually work a night shift and stuff like that. So I'm like forever not kuphi endlini. Sharp. Uthi hayi futhi Nondumiso, at first there was no problem. Sasizwana kakhulu nogela, ugela ngangimphethe kahle naye futhi nje wayengirespecta and stuff like that. Uthi Nondumiso, inkinga I think yaqala la sekutheni khona mina nama ngisendlini-ke manje I'm always tired. Mangifika endlini umyeni wami nama ngathi uyaqala futhi uthi sibani ngicela ukuthi ungenzele itiye, I'd be like yazi ngikhathele ngicele u-anti osizayo ukuthi enze njani, enze itiye. Also, so it actually got to a point whereby isn't as endlini, I was just like so lazy to do a lot of things in the house, and I was like, why should I do a lot of things in the house where else I've got a house help? We understand. Uthi Nondumiso, I don't wanna lie to you, nami I'm to be blamed in my marriage not working out. It's okay fine. So angizange ngibone konke lokho kwenzakala ngendlela kwenzakala ngayo. Uthi kwahamba isikhathi up until my kids were actually 2 years. Uthi njengoba be 2 years, one thing I've noticed ukuthi my kids now started calling u-auntie ngomama. Uthi futhi nakhona I didn't pay much attention to it because of okay fine, uhleze nabo 24/7. Uthi I didn't feel bad about it. Mabeqala bembiza ngomama and stuff like that. Uthi I was like, okay sharp. We understand, no big deal. Okay sharp. Uthi sihlale-ke in a relationship nomyeni wami. Uthi nje so umyeni wami started complaining a lot ukuthi like I'm no longer endlini, I'm no longer one person ohlezi etholakala endlini, I'm always busy with umsebenzi, I hardly have time for them in the house. Uthi ngithi but what do you mean? You know exactly ukuthi umsebenzi wami require ukuthi ngibe njani, ngibe busy. It's a very demanding job. It's not like you didn't know when you actually married me and stuff like that. Uthi umyeni athi no, I'm not complaining, but I'm just saying if you can just spare us a little bit of time nathi la endlini, just uzame ukusibonisa acknowledge ukuthi sikhona as family yakho, because of we actually miss you a lot. Uthi nje ngangiyibonela umyeni wami kuwumuntu nje othanda ukuwayina and stuff like that, umuntu nje othanda ukubalisa, because of I don't understand what is the problem, because at the end of the day ama-bills kumele njani kumele ibhadale. Also Nondumiso, I would actually get bored because of ngangibona nje umyeni wami kwi-attention seeker, ngingayi-understand nendlela complain-ilayo, because of uya-understand ukuthi umsebenzi wami uyadimanda and udimanda kangakanani, to a point ukuthi lento le ayenzayo I really don't understand ukuthi isukelaphi futhi yaphi. Uthi okay fine, I did not pay attention to that, so kwaba ukuthi ngenzenjani, ngiyaqhubeka nempilo, everything is what, everything is great. Uthi Nondumiso, kwaba ukuthi ngiyaqhubeka nje nempilo yami, umsebenzi wami. Uthi Nondumiso, I was a workaholic, I was so obsessed with umsebenzi wami, and I think it's because of vele ngiqeda kuyibuyela e-university, nginabo 3 years nje ngisemsebenzini, so i-job yami I actually take much priority into it, because ngisasenalokho ukuthi you know what, I want to build a name for myself, you understand. Uthi okay fine, so constantly endlini ama-complaints awapheli Nondumiso. Umyeni wami is always complaining about me not being at home, but I just didn't pay attention to it. Uthi to a point ukuthi umyeni wami igcine kuhamba isikhathi abe uthi useyangi-accuse-ke manje, accusing me ukuthi mhlambe I'm actually seeing someone emsebenzini. Uthi no, even when I tried to actually assure him ukuthi you know what, there's actually no one engimbonayo emsebenzini, it's just him, we understand. Uthi but umyeni wami didn't seem to actually budge in. Uthi hayi Nondumiso, kube ukuthi futhi nje ngiyanaka ngitshela nje ukuthi you know what, it's just being insecure man, he's having ama-insecurities and stuff like that. At the end of the day we need to make money, we understand. Uthi hayi fine Nondumiso, this thing happened. Uthi Nondumiso, into engayinothisa-ke manje ukuthi okay fine, the much attention le umyeni wami ehleze nginikeza yona all the time ukuthi ngihlezi ufuna ukuthi ngimnake and stuff like that, it started declining. Uthi hayi okay fine, ngibe nalokho ukuthi ngiyajabula-ke at least, because ushuthi sekathole something else azokwazi ukuthi afocus kuyona, or rather mhlambe he's got something big emsebenzini eyenzakalayo, to a point ukuthi he no longer focuses on me not being at home all the time, ngihlezi ngisemsebenzini uyacomplain. Uthi nakhona futhi I didn't think much into it. It's okay fine Nondumiso, kuqale kube ukuthi umyeni wami ke shabu njengoba engathi anginaki futhi kakhulu, kimina it was some sort of a relief. It didn't like click kumina ukuthi okay, it should be an alarm ukuthi okay, you know what baby girl, you need to wake up emaqandeni because of indoda yakho yenza njani iyahamba. Uthi hayi okay fine, mangilong busy ke ngihlela endlini, u-auntie would literally do everything, we understand. Also auntie would do everything. Mangiqala nje ngithi mina in that time madam ngizokwenzela, mayiqala ngithi impahla zomyeni wami, she would actually jump in and do everything that she wanted to do. Uthi-ke futhi anginandaba, because it's actually her job, it's what I'm paying her to do, so I'm really not complaining. And into engiyibonayo nje kuyena, ngibonga nje ukuthi ungiphethele iy'ngane zami kanjani, ungiphethele iy'ngane zami kahle. Uthi hayi okay fine, kuhambe isikhathi. Uthi Nondumiso, okay la sengiqala khona senginothisa ukuthi hayi man, umyeni wami is actually very much distant from me, kube ukuthi ngiyazama ukuthi I'm actually reaching out to my husband, uma husband akasekho there. Uthi hayi ngiqale-ke manje ngibe nalento yokuthi ayi man, could it be ukuthi useyajola, could it be, you understand. Uthi Nondumiso, I did not pin myself around this thing because angi-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani, and this person is always in the house. That's one thing futhi yenza ukuthi kube nzima, like hardly ifone yakhe ngeke uze uthi ngaqala nga-check ifone yakhe, checking ukuthi mhlawumbe kunezinto engayithola efonini yakhe. Uthi Nondumiso, I did not find anything. Uthi hayi okay, ngasesha ngabona ukuthi okay, there's really nothing eyenzakalayo out of the ordinary, there's no calls angenayo la endlini la efonini yakhe man, somehow, you understand. Uthi okay, ngibe like look relax ukuthi okay fine, futhi umyeni wami is actually just preoccupied with umsebenzi, at least umsebenzi wakhe nawo, so ngikhipa busy to a point ukuthi akasahlezi elandelana nami, mhlawumbe efuna ukwazi ukuthi mina my way about ame kanjani. Uthi hayi Nondumiso, iqhubeke-ke into, ngisebenze and stuff like that. Uthi Nondumiso, uyaba linye ilanga-ke la ngibuya khona emsebenzini, mangibuya emsebenzini like actually I'm noticing ukuthi like something is actually off. Ngihambe umyeni wami emsebenzini, and then when I come back mangibuya umyeni wami usendlini. Hawu kanjani? Uthi hayi okay fine, mangifika usendlini, I don't know man ukuthi kwenzakalani on that particular day, but nje ngamthola esendlini yonke into right, but I could feel ukuthi there's something really off, there's sort of like tension between yena nobani no-ani. Also my sister, wena Ndumiso, ngithi ayikho i-degree yokubamba indoda, mina I lost my husband to house help. Ntasentonto ipakede uhlale phansi ngoba ngiyazi indaba uyayithanda nje na. Uphathi thuke lona. Uthi okay fine my sister, ngibuye emsebenzini ngibona nje ukuthi there's sort of like i-tension, kunobu-awkwardness la endlini, but I just can't pin it out ukuthi kuyini. Uthi fine, still Nondumiso, I don't pay much attention to this thing, I continue doing my things. Ngiyabuza ukuthi hayibo baby kwenzakaleni, waba early, waba sendlini and stuff like that. Athi no, emsebenzini like i-case angazi kwenzakaleni, aze nje ne-excuse nje lame, but at the end of the day I'm like okay fine, anginaki. Uthi hayi ngihlale la endlini. Uthi into enginothisayo, my kids adore this woman. uthi bayamthanda. And then now ngiyabona ukuthi nomyeni wami ngathi manje futhi unalento ukuthi njalo kancane kancane umbiza ngegama lo sisi, kancane kancane umbiza ngegama lo sisi, to a point ukuthi like nala endlini noma ngikhona manje i-presence yami is actually not being acknowledged. Uthi ngiqale manje ngibe like okay, angisanakwa-ke la endlini the way I used to ukuthi nginakwe ngakhona. Uthi noma ngathiwa ngiyazama mhlawumbe ngifuna ukuzisondeza eduze komyeni wami ngendlela engifuna ukuzisondeza eduze kwakhe ngakhona, but I just can't to get him to actually focus mainly on me. Uthi hayi Nondumiso ngathi, you know what, let me just start ngehlise i-workload and stuff like that, because of right there and then that's where I saw ukuthi yabona njengamanje umuzi wami uyahamba and uyahamba ngempela. It's my husband is actually seeing someone or whatever, but into engangifikele ekhanda leyo ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi ulala la endlini ne-house help. Uthi hayi fine. So ama-fights started happening a lot. Uthi la endlini bese silwa nomyeni wami. There was always ama-fights all the time, to a point ukuthi isikhathi bese ngibalekele emsebenzini ngithi, you know what, just trying to avoid ukuthi mangifika endlini sizolwa and stuff like that. And you know, all the time he was always kuphi endlini. Mina as I'm actually going away ngibalekele emsebenzini and stuff like that, because I'm trying to avoid ama-fights la endlini. Yena he's always in the house, taking care of the kids, taking care of everything. Uthi nje mangifika futhi everything ihlezi right, on point and stuff like that. Also, okay, fine, Nondumiso, hayi uthi ngiqale ngibona ukuthi, you know what, angi-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. I tried to speak to my mom about it. Ngiyamtshela mama ukuthi, you know what, mama, nginenkinga kanje. But there's one thing about this man ukuthi angikhona ukubona ukuthi njengoba ngithi uya-cheat, whenever I go through his phone, I find nothing. Uthi whenever mangiqala ngithi mhlawumbe ngizama ukuthi maybe I'm gonna find him ukuthi uzobuya late emsebenzini noma ngi-off. No, he doesn't go out. He's always in the house. That's the thing. Angazi ukuthi ngimbambe kanjani, but trust me, amagazi wami ayangitshela ukuthi umyeni wami wenza njani, uyangijolela. Uthathe mama, hayibo, mhlawumbe you're just thinking too much into it. Maybe it's because of wena vele bowungenasikhathi and stuff like that. My mom actually advised me Nondumiso ukuthi ngibuyele endlini and spend more time with my family. Uthi I did that. Ngispend isikhathi ne-family. Uthi one day ngigcine ngitshela u-aunty ukuthi, aunty, you know what, I think this week man you should go home. Uke uthathe isikhathi uhambe uyofocus kwi-family yakho and stuff like that. Uthathe aunty, hayi mina mele mangi-mind ukuthi ngibe la ekhaya and stuff like that. Uthi ngithi mina, no, hamba man, you haven't had actually a leave in a very long time, so I actually give you a paid leave because you can actually go home. Nami ngithathe leave, I just want to spend some time with my family. All right, fine. Uthi hayi, okay, fine. As I spend time with the family and stuff like that, iy'ngane zami azingifuni, I become so frustrated. Ngiyakwata ukuthi like every time ngithi ngidlala nabo abantwana, they just don't batch. Abantwana abanasikhathi sami vele, they literally don't know me because of one person ukuthi mayiqala evuka ekuseni ahamba emsebenzini, mayibuya emsebenzini, then I just get busy ngihambe ngiyolala and stuff like that. Uthi Nondumiso, I start panicking ukuthi okay fine, what is actually happening? Umyeni wami ungithela somehow, iy'ngane zami nazo futhi azingifuni. What is it that I can do? Uthi hayi Nondumiso, you know what, I decided ukuthi, you know what, ngayitholela ama-colleagues emsebenzini, we started having impilo yama-out. Uthi okay fine, that made things worse even endlini Nondumiso ku-husband yami, because mina I was just simply trying to run away from our problems, not knowing ukuthi I'm actually inviting more problems to actually come in the house. Uthi okay, ngimfonela u-aunty, abuye u-aunty azosebenza la ekhaya. Uthi I started going out a lot with my friends, whatever, because I felt like ekhaya I'm not being valued ngendlela ebengvalueshwa ngakhona. Uthi I tried speaking to my husband, what is actually happening, whatever. Uthi nje husband wami was like, oh, when you had a demanding job, so uthi mina ngenze njani? Uthi hayi Nondumiso, I tried. Uthi okay, kwaba ukuthi kuhamba isikhathi kube ngazathi nomyeni wami sibangcono la sibangcono khona futhi again kube ukuthi my friends are here, siyaqala-ke manje sesilwa ngani ngempilo yama-night club. Uthi sayilwela impilo yama-night club. Uthi I also told my husband ukuthi, you know what, I feel like we actually married very young. Mina I'm still very young and I still want to live the life. Le mpilo ufuna ukungiphilisa yona ukuthi ngibe isalukazi ngihlale la endlini, I'm not about to live that life. Uthi hayibo, my husband athi hayibo, yazini, we are in this thing together, we've got kids together, let us just try and find a way ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi siphilisane. Uthi nje ngithi, you know what, I'm not about to have that life. Uthi nje, so I started seeing man ukuthi yobo ukuphila. And remember ekhaya, I'm coming from a very strict family, la khona abantu bakhona bafundile and stuff like that. I never really had time to actually go out and unwind and have friends, whatever. So uthi okay fine, kwenzeke. Uthi hayi njengoba kwenzeka manje siphuma ama-club, whatever. So njengoba siphuma kanjena, I started having an affair. Uthi I had an affair with this a young colleague of mine. It's okay fine, ngaba ne-affair ne-colleague lena, kwaba ukuthi siyajola and stuff like that. Kanti sothi masijola, my husband would actually find out. Uthi umyeni wami njengoba find out, I think that was the only thing that he wanted for us to actually end this relationship. Uthi salwa Nondumiso. Uthi nje what, you know what, I've been seeing you for a very long time ukuthi you are just doing these things, whatever, I just didn't have enough evidence. Uthi how? So umyeni wami actually went through my phone while I was coming from the club. He went through my phone futhi kwakhohlwa delete ama chats and stuff like that. So it's okay fine. kwaba ukuthi umyeni wakhona futhi also again into eyamenza ukuthi abe ne-assurity kwaba ukuthi one day he decided to actually come to my workplace. Makafika ku my workplace and then he's like, okay, coming to fetch me and stuff like that. He sees me with this young man. Sesiyahamba-ke manje. I'm the one who's driving the young man to la ehlala khona. Also, okay, fine, we actually went there, sehla, sama, estradeni and stuff like that, which like just so in love, like abantwana abancane, and something that was actually lacking mina kuphi endlini. Uthi fine. So my husband documented all of that. Waba ne video wathula. Uthe mayisaqala sengiqala ngithi ngiyabhaquka. He showed me all the proof that he wanted. Emva kalokho wangitshela ukuthi, you know what, I can't do this thing with you anymore. Uthi ngathi uthi yes, what, I can't do this thing with you anymore. And then Ndumiso, remember, I've never even once ngingabamba umyeni wami enza leyo nto leyo. Uthi okay, fine, we went to court. Kwaba ukuthi siyaseparate ngendlela siseparate ngakhona. I get to keep the house, ngahlala endlini, and then kwaba ukuthi umyeni wami fights for custody yabantwana because of mina. I'm fit mama ukuthi ngingenekela abantwana because of I'm always not at home, blah blah blah. Court ruled in his favor, wabathola abantwana, only to find out ukuthi 3 months down the line my husband was actually getting married to the house help. So all these things were happening just right under my nose. I did not pin it out. So ngoba ngiyakutshela ngithi i-degree ayikaze ize yabamba indoda. I lost my husband to a house help. Ningakhohlwa bangani, ama-perfume awu-250, both male and female, awu-250. Ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngikusendele wona ngane ngo-Pixie anywhere eSouth Africa. Nalaba futhi abafuna ukwehlisa umkhaba, I do have ama-capsules okwehlisa ini, okwehlisa umkhaba nokuthi wehlise umzimba wonke. Ama-capsules wama-300, itiye lu-100 rand. Ngikusendela anywhere eSouth Africa ngo-Pixie ngo-670 rand extra.